And this right here, this is why you do stuff sometimes right after the snowstorm, because when you don't, everything becomes all frozen mess. Look what I actually left outside last night. After obviously doing what I did with Big Black. What the heck is this? It's frozen. Oh, it's not. I guess that goes to show you how well insulated this thing is. But what you try to do is you try to clean things up, like literally if you can. You clean it up the day of the storm, because if you don't, you end up with a frozen mess. So you see how things are pretty frozen. This stuff right here, this is no big deal. My plow will be able to go ahead and grab that. But just try to like clean off your cars and do all that kind of stuff, like, you know, the day of the storm. If you wait too long, I mean, it's only like, I think it's like 19 degrees out right now. Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Right now, it's 23 degrees Fahrenheit. Today, expect a high of 30 degrees.
What was the temperature yesterday?
Yesterday, in Plymouth, Massachusetts, the high was 38 and the low was 26 degrees Fahrenheit.
Definitely makes snow removal a lot harder, so take it from me. I've been doing plowing for, a couple days now. So, anyways, I know what I'm talking about. So just do what I say. It's that do as I say, not as I do kind of thing. But when it comes to snow removal, pretty much try to take care of it like right away. Don't do this. So here's a funny little occurrence about these 2017 Honda CR-Vs. So the handle was like this. There was actually ice that got stuck in there. So while the door actually closed, the ice prevented her from being able to get out of her car. So she's like beeping, trying to say, hey, I can't get out of my car. So little things like that. Bye, babe. I mean, these cars are great. There she goes. So this is the current conditions here over in there's Big Black's little snow mound. Give you an idea of how high this is. This isn't like Big Black has created massive mounds. This is really nothing compared to, like, if you look, it's about comes to right there, I think, on me. So, but this is the way it looks after a snowstorm. I did give a push into this little section right here. You just got to make sure that you lift the blade. I always lift the blade. I might have to come out and just do a little touch over here. And then, idiots, snowplow guys, I don't get you. It's straight mailbox to mailbox, but instead what you try to do is you try to take out my irrigation heads. So that's also why you don't want to have your irrigation heads like right at the road edge. Put them in like a 1.5 feet, because for some strange reason, and granted there are plow stakes here, but it's mailbox to mailbox on this straightaway, which is why I don't do it. And look at that curve. It's got nothing to do with oncoming traffic. I saw the guy do it. Big Black be taking out mailbox posts. No, I don't do that. But boy, it really could. So, anyways, yeah, little funny blip about the Honda CR-V. Kind of weird, huh? not everybody gets to, I guess, see snow. So, there you go. Just gave you some snow. I think I only got, did I even get footage of doing any driveways? I don't think I did. I think I got footage of maybe doing like a partial road or something like that, but right now I'm on my way back and this is the way I go. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this episode from Rusty Guy Garage. Literally just ripping it through the woods.